Osakume, Yahiuna Webby, Keke the Nas when you want get down here. Didn't work in what the off. But my line in the truck. Ask what you are carousing. But my switching network. And they scratch me. And they scratch me. Money, Abi. Chirito talking. You know where be? Yes, sir. Are we ready now? 1, 2, 3. Now that's my juju. Oh, we put your juju, man. Yeah, we man. No, Biaba. No, Biaba. Oh. Babe, give me one tennis now. No, it's not Motaji. Maya. You don't watch my video. Who's the cat of me now? Thank you, beautiful wife. Como é que você vai já sabe bem é que você vai. É um dia que eu vou ganhar você não é meu não sabe não mas believe I will o Frank é meu não é negro não. They never believe you high. They never spread it. You might believe women a Muslim go see fine woman like Mommy K. Now grace hey. Manipulative this time. I know my drink. I want you. Osasu uyi. Iye me weni wado. Awi yaro yo. Eda usinoga. O hame weni wado. Go atora dia. You already know. Allow na guy video now. Need to get boy. Oh, you feel like one there. Tell me. My kori. My lay. You leave my way follow by the cook. Oh, my mom, Maria. You leave my way follow by the cook kitchen. Oh, I saw you now. Well, I saw. Oh, I have to be with your messenger. Oh, how do you make let's get pay you. Oh. Dino Jerry. Yari. Guato. Oh. Osasu. Oatoradia. Oh. Sweet toto for you. Oatoradia. Now, I greet you all with better style. So let's chop and shop as the hot without wasting much time. The thing is, so I don't want to spend time too much. We just want to go straight to the reason why we are here. You understand me now? So let me just share this video. Please share my video, guys. Look, I just share it. You don't want to waste time at all. This one, I waste time for that one where I prepared you today. But for this one, let's just go straight to the reason why we are here this beautiful day. Hey, Juliet Osa, Iwedo of Wegbo, Yaro, Wagbagbo, I'm going to say, I'm going when his salary go on and Wahia or a bit. The thing you lad them another company where he don't know what to do, and none the blood tomorrow, he don't know what to do. And I even in German, I want to tell you, fucking get loud. Just like one. Look what's giving a ballot. Master, when you so you oh, I don't want what they can do the one. So why you can't, I'm on best on your ass, boy. Why is that? Remember, can I run so? I want to be one of Papillon and Button. I said, what I'm coming. I'm my brother. If where? Salobo, I'm not telling you. Now, my people, I greet you all with better style. It's a quick one. It's a quick one to Pemi Osula. You feel me so? Because everybody has known you as being a donkey. In Spain, there, everybody know you. The whole world know you that you're a donkey. You're one of the stupid daughter of Osula. Everybody know. You understand? You are the only daughter that has biggest shame and disgrace to the family of Osula, which you know. You understand now? So, there's a word I want to tell you. And please, I want you to do this thing for 3 days. And after 3 days, you did not do it, I will not answer you again. You feel me so? Make I first go play the video where I see just now, before I go tell you what to do. You understand me now? Please, somebody send me, I see one video, we say, what they say for me? Oh God. Oh, that video just still wrong. The video don't wrong. And this person share the video. Mommy, constant. Mommy, yeah, spell on here, mommy. Nah. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, constant. Don't be constant. So say na mommy abi na mommy. I'm not saying mommy. Ọ̀rọ̀ me pe ọ̀rọ̀ wo hi. Ori maya hi. Na mommy no be Mimi. Adoption. All right. First of all, I greet you all with better style. Guys, let's listen to Pemi Osula. Na you put us just now. Okay. Ọwẹ́ mọ̀ ń jẹ́ kí a máa yẹn di mẹ́mí yẹn wà á dáhùn wà hold on we see the play. I say if I dey talk my words I no dey lie. I dey talk and the way thing dey happen because in my I'm not saying what I say no years no. But make it 17 years when I was still 15 years I can still tell you what I did. You understand? Am I where you know my dad say ikpe hammer. Oh yeah, what am I help?
When you never only the hammer pop the bush. But I do a good go in the home and take it back in only the hammer pop the bush.
I don't know.
Oh, well, you not scream for me. You not scream for me. Who can get here? Who can get here? Was a night screaming and you're going to say me. I know ye and we are no here because who won it? We're going to hear where you take one.
Hey! Oh, we mammy will. Oh, but if you get here, what's in here scream? You know, you scream. You make an eye here and you know here. Oh, we won it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Oh, here break Benny part 1 or 2. Oh, no, number 1. Eliya bese. I owi manu we now Pemi. La wo. Lady meye. But Baron me answer. That's just me. But this particular one, already now we precious make. I will answer this one. I will answer this one. Tell me, la 93 days we bebore. Look at my verbo. And ya move be ma ye bebore. I be mo ye lie. E ya verbo. Ara me go manya no heme. E verbo umanya no heme. Me na do ya boast, do ya brag. E go nya no heme. E verbo yo. Ah, you amen. Unya putu nya pata. Ure, ufiere ni guan. Oh baby, you are sexy. You are fiere comme fiere die kwe. Una hiye. Una ya bon dona bi na hiyo. Uye me boya leti woyo. It's very simple. Very short video. I don't want to stress myself. Yes, sir. I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to stress myself. Who accept them who are screen? Why you are screen? Let us say the truth. Sister Pemi. Junkie mistress. Why you are screen? Okay, tell you what I feel when I was screen. Show, shiko, queen. If you are figure here, sister, tell what's my way. Don't see yourself. Let's say no one give for this not like all of now go down. You go down. You get down. Doing all these things, I did not record your bola and your mekus. It might record you, it might screen record you, it might video. You are just enjoying the pleasure, the rotation, the style. You feel the vibes. You enjoy and you come. Your back gunu and okay, who see them say they talk and go say a better person to talk. You they come live and say, you see my Bola, I don't see you to like seriously. Like seriously. Hello. Now first of all, let's go there. Let me play that off video. Tell me, shift closer. No get no talk. You say now, social media president. Now make me and you know for 2023. Let's listen to wait to. Now, my great love now, but that's still what already. Not be proud saying you and woman do one or two things you couldn't talk about for live video. It doesn't really make sense. You understand? But some women, when they come after they can talk first. Hello? I greet you.
Because I did the power now and if we move now, you get to your house. You have so where or my fanny. Yeah, but I love it, maybe wrong. It really.
Ebu wa wo. Ebu wo. E ma stop for everybody. Pa mo ene.
Eh, ni ma mu de. I go ya, when I go me because he go. I come on you. You know, all that is it. Èmi àti ẹgbẹ́ ìrìnà yàrá yọ̀ ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn náà ní ọ̀bá mi yàrá yọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ èlà fídíò ẹgbẹ́ mi kò tẹ́ mẹ́rin wọn.
Ẹgbẹ́ wa wọ̀ mẹ́.
Ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀gá abẹ́dẹ̀dẹ̀ ní kábàṣì náà. Wọ́n á ní gun mẹ́rin ẹ̀gbọ́n à ó yàn náà wà ó yàn bá náà wà rọ̀ wà ní tó mú wẹ̀ náà wò. Ìgbẹ́ni wà yí ni mo wọ́n náà owó wọn kù gbà. Wọ́n ní òye tó àgídé kayọ̀
Ẹgbẹ́ wa wọ̀ mẹ́. Ekari yẹn.
Wẹ̀ ló máa yé ní ìwẹ̀ ìwọ̀mọ́ ìfàdúnyà èmi náà fọ̀ sọ́kọ́ ọmọ ìtọ́pì náà ìgbẹ́ ìmọ̀ àgbẹ̀yẹ òmẹ́wàá ọ̀yà tó tọ́ ní. Wọ́n ìwọ̀mọ́ ekí ara ẹ̀kẹ́ lọ́mọ́ ló wẹ̀ láyàwó yẹ wẹ̀ ìgbẹ́ náà wẹ̀ aṣọ ya. Wẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ náà gbé ọ̀nà rẹ̀ mú ẹ̀ mọ́tà jẹ ewì mẹ́tẹ̀ ó wẹ̀ aṣọ rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́mìtì marriage. Well, one man we when I call it, we almost about 4 days. Ni gwa yi ma ta na ka we bi to kan ni ge no ge di ni ya gwa yo. Egu na we ihu we nya so 4,000 naira e di o oda 10,000. Well, no me la go no me ke pe e la we wo ri kwa we shi to mu ja we no wo. We no why we go la ri ohun. O go la ri ohun.
Awu yen wa. No give me one.
Azonwe ya mo ya go because why? We bo na dey we implement. Everybody we nya wu aze. We awa school. Ya tu well ala wa e du dile. Obi na wa go. Every day o la di no. O la di je ni ka wa go e. E ni ma ka je o la una je ji a. Na we ma be shoot. Iwe we. We wa so ai. We ya we the be la o na di. E je na. Uwa ibo mu enu quality. Dem ga level na we me bi wo je buri. O ni akawe a we ni anywhere. So the second put the matter by matter. Who are so what are me? Ina be when is journey. The journey getting out to 4 years. We don't take the journey 1 year. So then again all the different things. So I have a job. We no mama. We no don't. Then we. Hello. When I have to the journal. Eya ke ya ya le te ke ra o so ya go se re wo te bosa si o je bosa wo na be da ja do ya ku ya go won wo na go mama e mi ma jo ta yi o ta ni e no we ma de di po ke o gwa ro ha we mi e so o ha wo nya wa ni mo ta ma wo ha wo ari nya wo nya
wo nya wa ni
o ha ni e ro gu o we je no ewu jo di poke eno na me we me kwa we me no wa o we yo wo wa to ti we e wa ta ti ye je e to ya bolo o we ye nka we yo mo jo ri je ni na le we bu to no no to te e bolo e to ari to ni de ke nyo nyo go ro ni ga to we wi ya mo to ri wa su
all right
ina kile du wo so wa o ma nye ni in e wi wa le me mo istabwe me wa le me ko e we bu ko wa le me n to mi e ku me to mi tara o so le baba won this man awa wa te mata o mi ko ro bi mu iko no mu ro bi o to we nyu we ne o to nyu we ne wa la bu wa na nene to pisi no wa e to pisi e wi na ngu ya de pa na e wi ma ka sa ga we ne e wi we o ha we to no e to pisi o to me na mo yi la video didi bi te ewi enene enomu ewi ya ya soto wa le gu no ya gwe ri ko ma mu wa wala ri la video aki bo da me me de e tu ta te idu e ni na gu na mu ma ni to ta ni do ni e to ni gu ni ta na wa so gu ile nu wa
thank you
ta ni ba mu mo wa jo ni ya yo to ya di ta de awaze
hello hello good afternoon good evening yeah the phone is on speaker.
Okay, I want to say this now, please, with due respect, let we the Edo women we should respect ourselves, please. I beg you. You, these ladies that are involved in this act, you people should stop bringing shame to the kingdom, to the Benin kingdom. You did one or two things with a married man that is now a married man. And with your shameful act, disgraceful act, a lot of you still came out publicly to come and start saying this is how he slept with you, this is how he went to his house. Do you people still have shame? Because I know when we were coming up, we may have shame. There are some certain things a lady would do. You will be so ashamed of yourself to even open your mouth to sleep. I'm so ashamed because you guys are my gender. I don't really understand what is going on, that there is no shame no more. You people think when you now come out publicly, people will be clapping for you and be hailing you. You did well to come and say it. Does it change the fact that this same man that you're talking about is married to the wife in the house? Does it change it? Did it change the fact that the wife will not live in? Aren't you people ashamed? Because for me, what I'm saying here is the fact that you people are paid. You are paid that this man did not end up with you people.
Exactly.
He ended up with somebody a lot of you never expected. Now, yeah, you people keep on bringing different excuses, bringing different problems. Their wife can never leave him. They are married. Do you people know if they are even destined to be together? Since you guys have been doing all this to this man, the wife is still with him. And even right now, the wife is with him in the kitchen right there. Do you people have shame? I saw one grown-up lady that day, a very beautiful lady, coming out to come and say, this is how you went to his house, this is how he had a small room, this is how he had a big room, this is how he did this. Madam, as beautiful as you are, you don't have nothing on your head. Your medulla oblongata is empty.
Exactly.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't you have family? Don't you people have family that call you people to order to set your memory and to set your brain? I don't know if you people don't have family that call you people to order to say, don't bring disgrace to the family. See, let's call the spade a spade. I'm not in support of anything. Let's call the spade a spade. But it's just enough of these ladies. This morning I was watching a girl, a lady in the live video. I think she was playing this audio of this foolish lady that was talking just now. How can you come and say the man should bring your nude picture out if you saw my nude this thing? And I have to do this, I have to scream for you to come. Madam, are you ashamed? Just look at the way you are with your picture. You are really a donkey. You are really a donkey. Because I believe you people are taking liquor. After taking liquor, because I believe it's not your clear eyes. You people go on live video to come and start vomiting nonsense and rubbish out of your mouth. Can't your followers tell you people the truth? Can't your people's followers tell you people the truth? That you people are messing up, you are getting it wrong. Please, when you have Dios Sanguinian, if you have been for DNA, why have Dios Sanguinian?
Thank you.
The disgrace is too much. Don't bring it to the kingdom.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
And please, Mr. Frank, please, I want to beg you, please, with due respect, don't respond to these people. Let go. Respect your marriage, respect your wife. And let it be. Let them say something. You don't need to respond to them, please.
All right. I appreciate that. That's a nice one. You see? That got this and I mean one food. Only food na cycle. Now my wife they cook so. At the kitchen now my wife they cook. So if you don't go for your food for you go eat. We go see at bed. We go kiss. The whole hotel laugh for inside. We go they use on the laugh. You understand? I don't want to pick any call again. No calling. Nobody to call me again. You understand? It's not a call for program. It's not a call in program. I go see enter my house, me and my wife go see and we enjoy ourselves. No, they fooling myself. You people that are fooling yourself, you're not married. You don't even get boyfriend. Me when I listen to one disgrace, I don't marry. I get wife for her house. You understand? If second not come, third not come, I don't already get wife for house. I'm a married man. You're a sack that cannot push you. You cannot push my wife for my house. You're not going to do anything for marriage. Eddie, I will see. Eddie, I greet you.
Domo.
What's up, bro?
Domo, I greet you, Baba. Domo.
Alright, speaker.
Ah, this because I got to put it by the Otimana or not one about Timana, or somebody by Yari by no one can domo.
Yeah.
Domo, Amatano, if no only one can, if you do, Watami or Niatana, if we do. Any Mamela Wibu, if Frankie Mela Wibu. Isenchuga wibuna noga buwayo noga ruwayo nuwa buwana nuwa dimotona nuwa ibi piene wa mayini ya go social media renia anu piena no ruwayo nuwa be hotel na nuwa be duplex na wa mayini ya go renia oh normally ruwayo yere no bia kokuwa wa yini ego iwala ivie ihwedu wa kiku bia wa social media wa kiku ya nuwa Ekia no ave begine o market no ave ata wa gi ku amu wa ikwedu wa gi ku amu social media sio meme wa gi ku amu wa wa gi ku amu wa aru wa le ni a wikia o ekia tala da wi a wikia we bono you show we igba no pe wa yo we bona wa ma mi lo pa wi yan Ami no pa wi yan Trimana do apiyan le social media na. O do apiyan le do apiyan. O ma yu wa go na. O ma we so. O mi koko wa bai. Wo show wana e we position me a. Ihu do. Ah, ai be wa wo na. A be wa ma mi o dori na wa so. Wa ma we career enu wa wo so me na we career. Ai mi o dori ni wa ma. Domo.
What almost good you. What by you?
Hello.
Where do what talk by?
Call your boat are really here.
Oh, yes, you. Or speak out.
Yeah, you never speaker. The two callers is not call it, but Salubo I you understand.
Yeah.
Here with a emoji, we no more. Here or chewing. Okay, Dane Kakabo, then in my agent be a junior. Here, feel we're getting a disgrace someone, not knowing where they are disgracing themselves. A guy not going away, brother not call about where a Facebook is seeing a Facebook or by saying a what but testing be Western a scenario original dojia zerewebo as a sacrificial lamb near do webo or see any way. They were afraid that boy any or work hard who second lava who get well so that on my way you move on with your life. I came my papa, or Obama Wapa, or Wakama Waka, and no more walk by me. I was never begging. What a shame. Oh, I see whether if I about disgrace. Oh, I think whether to go on what is scatter marriage. I beg ye, why I love ye, what get one, a quick one of one. See, no, all you have some why you say, if we move what a see who I join on your house before, but I will have wherever. Yes, I think you look on the yellow yeke. If we or set it to open, not get it responsible. Set it to look when not open on the lake. No love yeke. I will post CNN one hour, I guess Facebook or back. 1 hour. Don't buy a good diagram. While you call what I said, good was your best one. What I best one winner. What get one move one. I'm not going to tell you where we're back.
Call you, see off with me. What's up? You understand? A video name only see it and be because you are to talk about. As a man of God, I have to go and preach for people. I have to go and deliver people. You know, I have a new job that I'm doing. I'm trying to help those single mothers, those single women who have not come and make them come. You understand now? That's my job I'm doing now. I'm doing that job on TikTok. You understand? If you don't know, if you are a lady, you never come for so long. You can come to my TikTok and give us what you want. Tell us what you want, but you must have money. I don't do it for free. You understand? I don't do it for free. I'm trying to be helping them. I was doing it for free before, but now they are taking advantage of it. So they have to pay for the services. You understand me now? It's very important. All these when we say I use my mouth, make them come. They don't know the value. You hear what they talk? If I get a new picture, me I can't post them. You know I cannot do that. Let's just say be Ole Morocco, you are a junkie. I cannot use solo to come and post your new pictures. Because I know you're not okay. It's only a woman that's okay. I can deal with. Like you now, Pepe, you are not okay. You are sick. Everybody know you are sick. You don't see your leg. You do leg like straw. You do leg like straw. You don't be human being. You are finished. You are gone. You know, as your total slain, as your legs slain. Also, you know, but once you see this, if you look the figure of your knuckles, you are very fast to come because your clitoris swear, it pork go front. You understand? When you the deep hand for your clitoris, you the see you the quickly come. You understand? You know how I tell you when you quick come. You know, you very come before me, and once you come, you don't sleep off. The snore. You understand? I'm trying to make sure you people are looking okay. After most frustration that women have frustrated you guys in abroad. I came here, God sent me here to bless you guys. To make you come so that you can get self-esteem. So that your brain can be working well. Or you come out of social media and be fooling yourself. If you go to fool me, this is my business, this is my job. This is my job. You can't shame the shameless. You can't bring down who's already down. You understand? So my sister, I cannot begin to battle word with a junkie. You have to be mentally okay before I can talk to you. Because looking at you, the people will know that you are mentally drained. Even when your father's buried, they will know that you are a mad woman. It's not, you are not okay. So I just pray, may God deliver you. May God help you. I was the one I was trying to help you before. With the power of my tongue. I was using orientation, giving you sweet words, singing love songs for you. And you were like, you were just throwing spam for free. You didn't pay. You did not pay. I made you come, but you did not pay for the coming. Today you are coming out to be insulting me. But all I've done for you. You see? That's why we don't help you. Some of these women, they're so ungrateful. This is why, so that's, you just look for women, you don't want to help them. And they will say you are proud. But you're still proud because of all this kind of women. Look at the other of her head. As fat as that one, 3 years she has not come. I make her come. And she still come out to insult me. And they are friends. These are friends. The same friend. You know what? You know what? Just chat. That one I said Susu that is always saying I have to get that gas. You come to my DM and you were saying trash. You're telling me if I touch your nipple, you will just come. Because I know you want me to make you come. Because I did not make that one come. That one is just crying on live video. That one has scream. Oh, I saw here. What I saw here? Where to be going? Everyone know when I don't wear if you go if you come over good. If I'm waiting on you, it's not possible. I don't work on those kind of dead women. Those are dead women. Understand? So, Pemi, I'm giving you the order now to go and bring juju paper. This one we are going to swear. We will swear. If I never see your makeups, if you never open makeups for me, they shook on the finger yourself. Oh, I'm going to be a shot. Oh, you are lucky. Exclaiming. No make exclaiming. I don't know who I'm impressed for Facebook. I don't know you know why impressed. Wow. Why Keniji, why Enogi? Enogi is a stupid fool. Enogi, I tell you it for free. When I open my garage, anybody where I pursue my garage, they will run to your authority, they will be your inbox. Now so you just be. A king is always the king. If I open my garage, say, I don't want this one again. I don't want this one again. They go down come meet you. Now so it be. I bet beat anybody where you want beat to. The one where I lash, I know them. The one where I not lash, I know them. You understand? I just look now since then because of my wife. I already look now since then because I don't marry. No, no me now. No, so to say I want to marry. I go dress like the way Pemi dress. I can't beat Pemi. I go dress like the way able to one of Papillon until the dress. I can't beat them. Me, I make up for with you. I still have those wigs. I still have my equipment. My equipment is still with me. It must feel like what? Let's start with my name. You are bounce back to my job, baby. You number one. Anyway, I lock up this dinner and the okay, boom. Not like him. Not like him. I have an issue that I will bring to my table very soon. It's about a adulterous woman. Yes. Let us still do my investigation to know if the woman is still legally married or not. Because I don't want to strike her without I don't get my proof clear. When my proof is clear, but my investigator is getting more closer. When my proof is clear, I will block you. You write rubbish, I will block you. Because this is my platform. I'm not using welcome nonsense people who don't get sense. You understand? I'm not using any welcome nonsense. If you did the platform where they insult my wife, you're not going to press love or like puts. So if you become my wife, then you're not going to insult them. I need judge. You are not judge. All those useless condemned element women. We don't fuck my bola at the end of the day, they want to change them. Why they not they insult me particularly? Why did they face my wife? What was their plan? Not my wife lashed them, I mean lashed them. Let's assume that I may break their hearts. They're supposed to come for me. Why are they coming after my wife? Down where they crazy, they go with this, where they shot, they go, no. Where I did for 2 years, where they crazy, the man, they go. You go crazy, you go shot, you go tire. For a present, I go do anniversary, I go celebrate anniversary. Yes, sir. And that's what you'll be. For our present, I go celebrate anniversary. Make you just continue the shout, the cry, they go. We don't want to soak now. Messiah, no retreat, no surrender. One thing you should understand, every man get principle. I get my own principle as a man, and I stand by it. It's very, very important. That's the only way I can secure my home with peace and harmony. If you violate it, you'll be suspended from the board. It's get down. They give you hair where they bleach, remove her. As a woman, that's me for you. So you want to form in a young baby, you see their breast, you see their young, you see who give that F for that young breast. Come on, get out of my sight. Simple. Respect is reciprocal. You respect my wife will respect you. After all, the same bullet on the fork. But when you start disrespecting my wife, you want to call the form army bottles. I'll kick you out. I'll kick you out. I'll kick you out. You cannot imagine a woman who says, okay, can't join me eat. You insult her for your food, Jonah. Make you leave the food for you, but you only want to chop on. I want it clear. I want it happen. Not only when they talk, they go. So leave them when they talk, they go. But when I go sit down my platform, call they talk my own. Una go hear, una go know the kind of person where that bitch be. Now let me want to talk now. I never start. When I go start, una go know that the kind of person where that woman be. I want to where she never knows. She said she disgrace my wife or disgrace me. Now I said she disgrace. My wife get children. She get everything. She get house. You understand? She's married now. She's a married woman. She deal with her husband. She dey enjoy her bola. Like you know. You understand? She where they create for media now. She now born. Give Kokobiri. No husband. Though. As we speak now toaster for everywhere. Now toaster the toaster for TikTok. All the boys with the TikTok. All of the food are boss. No one want marry all of them. The breast which is show for TikTok now. Now they want suck. Me don't suck her for 2 years tire. I beg bros woman continue for where I for stop. Almost someone who are I don't suck him. I don't whip him. I see us everywhere be. He not qualified to be a wife. I don't still live on for others. The time when they follow up, this character where they perform on me, I don't know so that he gets. The one way perform to me, now make me pursue one. This one a woman where I don't show my family when I don't know so. Thank God someone here say she even get my family record. After I don't chase and block her, she started to contact my family. As we talk now, she still get my family phone number. As we talk now, she still get my family phone number. They not block her. I give a big good. This is Smolio, that Obiakiko. If she want to do video, she go sit down, carry her iPhone 14, put for front, put beauty camera, video herself, come post her. Go and say fine. They usually look for man. You see the way I sit down, they do video, I sit down, blah. Sister, sit down for live video. No makeup. She go to say, yeah, you're naturally beautiful. You are naturally beautiful without no makeup. Kudos to my responsible, lovely wife. She know the makeup. Even you yourself will be small picking. They will hack my wife so that she find no. You know, where was it? The jealousy way they, I mean, no, until then, I'll come talk everything from the beginning to the ending. I'll come out everything. Never say anything. Audio of how many hours? You they cut small, they cut 30 seconds, they play. They cut 30 seconds, they play. That's how stupid you are. How demonic and devilish you are. As I did, if I play your audio, I go put it at this down. Make you listen to our audio. I go to play them. You go to play. I want to cut the part where go sweet for ear for inside. No. The part where they say, Frank, you are a bad person. Why you do this woman this thing? They go here and they will give me my own blame. Where you from a bad person, they will still give you your own blame. That's what they play audio. We know they edit audio. Come edit something. I can't talk with again. You see how? All those audio where they play, I was a witness. I was among the person inside that same group. I opened the group. I always be the one to call the group. Every damn this out there, that group will be on live with me. I bring a topic and we start deliberating on the topic. As not as many of them were watching on a day on one or two group. You understand? This was called Women Wife Association. That was the name of the group, and it's still existing. And go evening like this, after I don't do my program finish, I'll call the group to talk to all my wives. Then this woman, this Australian puppy, nobody should come in there. Let me talk. Nobody should come for it now. This Australian puppet will get stretched back for brain. She's always the problem of that group. Because she feel she was the first person I knew. Not even she. In second, where you never play, you don't play that one voice now. She never play that one voice now. In second, that one since 2019. Let me and that one know. Let me and that one they did since 2019. Today, she all the voice record which they play so. Now the only market video side though. There be three when they talk with the gossip. If I enter, I see the gossip themselves, they gossip themselves there. I go see commons. If I click enter, I go see the gossip themselves, I'll see commons. She never play only market voice, and she not the play record voice of them and the add the voice. Where she for talk, she go blank and she don't go play that one. When market for talk, she go cut that place, come out. She go come talk for ground. She go come add and she go post down. You sound bad girl. She do all these things. She just say that she's smart pass. Waiting me know where I hear my ear. When I know say they talk. Even arguments, even they side. I come in. They said a lot of things. They even gossip me as their husband for the group. And they even say something better to even better my life. But that's a group. She never played those one. She never played those one. And you say the record. You get evidence. Evidence when you edit. That's rubbish. That's blackmailing. Listen, my dear, don't be so that a group of Facebook. You go only fall down. The way you take come out now you go stay on enter no time reach. Why you see they run, they follow you now? Because the frustrated idiots, when they find my downfall, they say you get one proof to take breach me. Isaga. Now Babozi. Yeah, I said now Babozi. Oh, so I said no, I don't know how to be other for him. They no get wife. Oh God. I could just look somebody who they talk. You go to talk to me with the stammerer. Your husband now go look at face. You see me? I don't get stressed. I don't get what they stress me. That's why you will see me. I'm going to do my job. I'm going to do myself. If your husband they do live video, they shout, they scream, they excuse face. No one ask people. What no one excuse face come talk about with this man? You have no excuse face it. Somebody give you an audio to play to take do saga. They don't give a say you be small boy, you don't know how to do saga. You just can't joke. Somebody give you audio for hand, may you play. Say beat your enemy. You see the excuse face. He shouts. Your wife do back. Can you just imagine? When you go sit down cross leg by and see the cross leg, they play on the una de yena. Awayo. As I will say, I greet you. I never ready for your saga. Usama say you particularly, I never ready for your saga. You feel me? If I ready for Usama saga, I go to beat you. You know me now. Now me saga you will take use operation born twist. Now me, now I remove that two twins for your toto. Mogwe, she na pay social media. Una your put big giver. The record is still there. Don't play. The record is still there. Ya get suit una ya de suit. E suit no ya abama years. No ya saga. Oh my God. I don't lose this guy. Let him finish me. When I had this suit no ya abama years. No ya saga. I will not ask you one question. Which kind of marriage you would do? When you do marriage, you don't go church. You don't only church marriage. You don't find one church marriage. You don't wear white can. When they put it for your hand. Because all this, your luxury marriage, I'm not saying you go church. They can rest my case. Get months to say about you. They are never ready for you. If I'm ready for you. But we are that way. You have work. Yeah. If we have work. Recharge no your sadaye. Hello, give me wake me. You like that? You might make me way. My lovely wife. At least, will I say Enogi wife now from this January will be down. Yes. From January, now we'll start our own saga with Enogi wife. Don't play, hey, you boy, yo. I know my beer. Enogi wife. From January now we'll enter your matter. So opportunity when you get now, use and wear up. Saga me wear now. Because January. If we go know the kind of woman when you marry. If we go know the kind of wife when you marry. If we not January, you go know. So guys, see you guys later. I'm going to be on TikTok on my program. So guys, We'll see later. I will leave the like this. The major point of this live video this evening is for pay me, because I don't say you are a junkie, one you daddy at boy and you don't not get sense again. Lao sister, yari everybody, the mana do when me a pay me do your sula. A man they pay me a highway. A make on nap on a pen. You son, pay me. Ni actually anywhere. Do my nyak with Kodave. We will live here in a hoha. Oh, we know give. We will fear when I walk. Okay. Saluba. Somebody all this way. They can lie. They can lie. Explain you know explain. Explain not always say oh my God. Because you explain to we. But I go here. Evan me wa de kuna. E pemi ve o wi ati yege elovet. Yan gya ki o rigbe. Ogayan. So now, listen. Loveti. On the big anyway. Pemi ma we o but de we ya o si ya re. Ye pemi ya re. Ye loveti ye only go down as steady things. Bogi ha ni ti gbe de ticket dey. Now we kun. You understand? Yeah, so somebody was calling me just now. Let me pick the nigga's call. Let me call the person back. Somebody was calling me just now, and that person that was calling me, they mentioned her name. Who mentioned her name? No, they did not mention her name. They only talked about her. Don't worry, I don't hear this person for a show. After I did live video. You did live video. Water. Katabo. Off with me. Water. Ni mo speaker, you did live video. Okay. No, voila. Yes. Yeah. 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 Okay. So. No. Water. Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Amen. Water. Exactly. Wesley, thank you. Pagabo. Wesley, he's we work so. So oh let's see. Yeah. 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 Whether I call you after that video, make it one. No problem. Well, only a problem. That one is not. The water. Water, no water. Yeah. Listen. Thank you. All right. Wonderful. 3-2 for me. Give me 3-2. He say Baba de Mumu. Ega sweet Lisa. I no giving me no. Man me rock by that's why. I block you. Now on in Abulfa. Is that the type, huh? But nevertheless, let me tell you one thing. Is wrong. One thing I'm so happy about that. No matter how they talk, we present are going to talk. Present might fool themselves. But the viewers know the truth. That's the truth. Nothing much but the truth. If we are saying they supporter Enogi, supporter Oluna, they know the truth. I really want to talk about I must greet you.
I greet you, bro.
What talk about you?
Salute your government, sir.
What up?
I greet everyone, though.
Yeah, you.
This week, Abby.
Wow.
As well. Social media king, Rose. When me ambo boku kwa understand when agmona you know, and normally the whole world don't see the reason why all of them they vex for you. You understand? I'm here to tell you understand anywhere all of okay but bro, what they forget to life in you know. One move on with normal talk we give him no keke time man. When we him, it will not where we are. But when you can na ya table no kwa we see it's the next year. Then we rock back.
You're right.
We social media. Right from real life, they do cyberspace now.
Yeah.
Or maybe you know. Bro, always tell me. Okay, I can't know, but that will go. Only a watch, when can't tell me, only social media, only I want to tell you, I would not prefer me, you will be using a moment ago. You don't see the reason why they are crying. So, if you not take no time in my Nigerian, I have to do food, if you have to do, you understand, you may want to learn. And I must say, we are to have this guy be laughing. You must say, you know, now, only me, I'm more political because, when I get respected for it, marketing, we are to have social media, you know. But there's a respect, we are not receiving, we are not here. You know, I'm not here so done.
You are right.
So now,
thank you very much. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all better style. Let us be frank with ourselves because just like we are telling you, it's one of the last video we are going to do for Pemi. This particular video is going to be the last video I will do to mention this junkie woman name. And that's why I say, go bring Ojuju back, even after 3 days. Go swear if you don't show me to. That's my take. If you don't bring people home, I will never mention your name again. I'll leave you make the crazy go. You understand? And that's just the way it is. I greet you. I must greet you. What's up?
Maybe I read or send a call when you to our piano, was open. Now, need it. Need it or to make one compound. Lao, Amatano, or tell me no cheap, tell me no cheap on Salaba de Bauer. You understand? Salaba de Bauer, or we are doing on echo video I will in Baba. Lao, need it, Lao.
Go ahead.
You understand?
Go ahead.
We're done in near. When I would live near with social media. Guy, you must go far. You understand? You must go far. You know what I like with you, Agbegbe. I'm up with you, Agbegbe. Otima no go yan bekin. Lao, enu type and Lao teme, or teme no cheap and Lao. We are having no bian, having no kuna. Lao, we are going on. Agwe ma gwan oriye. Over where we are going to go with one of the Aguyan, everything will also come. I go one and Baba or ye, I like you now, in Agua. Maviriona. You understand? Toma, I not believe on Thomas, over you knew me. Now, Papa Lao.
What's up? You know, yes, God bless every one of you guys. You understand? Everything may not be a me. It will not know where the make you understand? But in no man sense, I can wear when you know what you and that's a live video. You understand? But the truth is this just that because the hatred, near me no working men wonder where or working men. It would be my expect. They never expected me this kind of a responsible, beautiful woman. Very lanky and very sexy. Very flexible. You understand? They were expecting to see one of a man at home won't expect me hearing. Now ghost of one marry. Which one they expect? Or me and come marry now. For example, they take Becky me marry you are. You think you know what I Becky has one saga. Number one. For example, they take Pemi no you dinner. Eme yare you are. But you go in answer them and Pemi has one saga. For example, they take beg. Even of Betty, no we are mugu let the kia lead. Eme yare you are. Only act by live video this 5 days. Office menu yam yak bajawo. For example, they take no work body you cannot be you are. Me ato. Besha imaodi guan. Yari expect everyone it even. That's why the team when the time is right for me to really speak about this bad boost with the video. So With that time right, when I said was here, me when why here? For us again. O not really a nibby. But be away me. When my acknowledge that we go in. And I knew well that the talk Granny Hoe. But we got every mist of brick or not down. It shows how stupid you are as a woman. Oh, no, well, 2 years. 2 years, different boyfriend or friends. Holiday. All the your pretend. Verbal they came and allow a problem. What I'm going to do? What did you do? It did do. You be married where you go where you are by around here. Ah, bow ya around here. We are ready, me who in a quarrel. Young I see we won't go here. It can't really be what we were in the money we go back. All level when I put it. Young I see we won't go here. Right from my door, eh, back is on a go away. It make Bassa Yakia book you. You understand? I want to know when I see it. When you could go so yard at me hour. A key work with my ye. Ah, loaba. Oh, my help, I dear, we are wallaba. Was you? At money here. On I saga. A CGI one kind. Saloba Wesley McGuinn and Yak Tematoma as a sister. I can talk to you now as a sister. Only Agbono as small as you are. Then who were there? They tell you, Saloba, you and Memo Young. It is you, my sister. You can be saying all trash about me, I don't care. But one of the number one points, he had dislike you any. One of the number one points. They are dislike you. You came to my house. You know who came my love. We act by your very. Women to study boom. But only Abba Odu. Okono is by you. At the end of the day, we'll be called for. But what's your that way? Way in the Obianya Yan judge the Yago you away. But the matter might be. You will tell us the truth, eh? I'm not stupid though. You guys can call me a muzzle. I don't care. I know what I want from a woman. But when you are a judge, no, you are pay price where here. I'm not going to be. I'm not back away be. I will not see to her. When we need one kind, when we told you who you saga where, when I saga, I've talked to you several times. The first day we got move. You call me, you told me it's because this first time you are anxiety, turn to anxiety. That's what you told me. You not keep paying you. You know, okay, well, when first time, my way I make bino. Night first time, you know what that the cocoa. When you are the one you cocoa dread all these years. That anxiety, you understand? You go after you cooking what poor. But when you could enjoy was a who poor or soon video. Peradventures or to be Sundahu. For this good 7 days in the woman, it was constantly like that. When you understand? You see how I become my wife. You understand? We don't have any we war. But each time the man would be where then the other would be much of a man and a tie. You get to make women make it. Yeah, vice as a sister. And the saga, the mother saga way. Yeah, put it in. So the next time, who have look away, Dolly Boisy, or Dolly Beji, or you walk me. A mirror, a diabolically a mirror. After a mirror, I made a moyo, we are Yakara, or Yakara Situa. It is good we are having big Yakara, obviously to her. The son, obviously to her. So my sister, my way grew, but or selling the answer, and your answer is going to be the very hard way, and you go learn. Don't be joking. I will not saga you, but I'm just going to answer you normally. As a puppy that you beat to me, you will answer. Why? I thought I'm not picky. I'm not like you. You're Kevin. You're nothing. Camerena. working now on the live video ya so ni we. O se my boy. Working me me you on the live video so ni we. O se zoni my boy. No matter what, no anything, any proof, no can against you. You would never measure on live video measure your name. Or you can read me. Too small. Too small. But I just give you the rope. That's why I'm going to put you in small, so that you will fit talk. Every man wait, but the man away. I have many things on my head to do. Because the matter is just a don't equal anything, equal with me. Are you a yabi butter? Or second, I will yabi home. You son. But I pray, no milk be no matter where you are. Apart from Kokobiri, no milk be to the banner, no more where you are. That will open your eyes and tell you the truth about your evil. So nobody will not be nobody will not give you. We're not going. Me date work for 2 years. Since 2022 year. Eke yawo saga. A year na me stop a saga. A year na me stop a saga must play the heat of saga of adulterous. A year na me stop it. 2022 when we were dates. We were dating. We I did saga 247. You were enjoying it. You even na ko last time we be TV we are you not come out today. You don't come out today. Hey, worry. Okay, second. This is the after ya people vulajan. Ya vie pour vulajan. We be kina andele. You understand? I for my we. Or a second ya me when yes, I don't have your time. More time we ya post every so so na ya la jan we. Make na me. Do me that ya tata. You understand? Latest update, I see you all for a water. I see you, my brother. Yaro, you know him. You understand? So now small. Why I do it? My rush You understand? You listen, I just want to advise some of our women. Have a dignity as a mother, especially woman being. Have a dignity. Respect your personality as a woman. Being a single mother is not a crime. Being a single mother, it is not a crime. It depends on how you position yourself, your character, your attitude as a single mother. That's what makes me to respect you. It is you understand? It is